In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade gold on TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to connect to a broker where you want to trade gold. So I'm going to go to trade top right, and then here you can connect to your broker. There's a bunch of different ones. I have separate video tutorials on how to do this on my channel, so go watch those in case you are interested. It's actually super simple, but I'm just going to connect to paper trading just to demonstrate how to actually achieve this because it's going to be the exact same way. Now, whenever you are, of course, connected to your broker, you want to go to top left and click on symbol search. And here you want to type in, you want to go to all over here, and you want to type in, for example, gold over here. And when you do this, you'll basically be able to find gold, or you could do XAUUSD, which is, of course, going to be your symbol or ticker for gold, okay? So just find the one that you want to trade, and of course, for the specific, of course, platform where you want to trade this, so there's going to be a bunch of different ones. I'm just going to go with this first one, which is on Oanda. So I'm going to click on XAUUSD or gold like this. And there we go. It's going to pop up gold on my chart. Now, to actually trade gold, you want to click on the trade button top right. Or, of course, you could do buy or sell over here in the top left as well. And then here you can select if you want to buy it or sell it. You can select your order type, either market, which will buy at the current market price, or limit, which, of course, where you can set the price where you want to purchase or sell. And the stop one is going to do pretty much a similar thing as well. I'm just going to go with market right now. You can select either if you want units or margin USD or whatever. And then down here, you can select the exits, such as like take profits and stop losses. And then, of course, whenever you've reviewed everything and you're happy with whatever you've done, you can just click on the buy button or, of course, the sell button in case you are selling. You're going to have to confirm it sometimes. And there we go. It's going to basically create your order. And that's how you can trade gold on TradingView. Okay. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.